The end of another day of our great sale here at Gan Chevels, the 21st anniversary sale, the Gan 200. We're going to sell 200 cars, trucks, and vans during this month of June, during our anniversary sale. Hi, this is Big G. Now, tomorrow, why don't you come on down and be one of the many people who are going to come shop and save during our 21st anniversary. 97s, used, we've got selection, we've got price, we've got financing, we've got contests. If you're going to buy, this is the month to do it. Tomorrow, come on down to Gan. Good evening, everyone. This is Big G from Gan Chevels, the second week of our 21st anniversary sale. You're going to save during this month of June. We've got over 250 automobiles right now, all priced to sell. That's why we're calling it the Gan 200. We're going to sell 200 of these 250. So come on down. If you're looking for a 97, you're looking for a good quality used vehicle from our regional used car and truck super center, now's the time to come on down. It's the second week of our big sale. Hi everybody, Big G. Week 3 of the 21st anniversary sale at Gan Chevels. We're rolling down to victory in our Gan 200, selling 200 cars, trucks, and vans during this, our 21st anniversary month sale. Everything has been slashed, everything priced to sell. If you're planning on buying a vehicle this month, you've got to come down and see us or call us 1-888-B4U-BUY, toll free, or 382-2168. Call the sales hotline or come on down and see us and really save during this month. Well, this is it. This is the final week of the 21st anniversary sale at Gan Chevels. Good evening, this is Big G. Dewey, Sharon, and Jamie Hall want to say thank you. 21 years, thousands of customers later, we're still giving the best deals in Eastern Ontario when it comes to purchasing an automobile. So if you're looking for a car, truck, or van, 97, or from our regional used car and truck super center, you've got to come down this week. This is the week to save. It's the last week of our 21st anniversary sale. So come on down and save. Hi everybody, Big G. Week 1 at Gananoque Chevels 21st anniversary sale. The Gananoque 200 is underway. We're off to sell 200 cars, trucks, and vans. Every car, every truck, every van is priced for the 21st anniversary sale. We're giving out prizes every day with a grand prize at the end of the month. So come on down. You've got to save. How about Cavalier? We're giving 500 free liters of gasoline, and you'll never save like you will this month. It's the 21st anniversary sale at Gananoque Chevels, so come on down. Hi everybody, Big G here, week 2 of Gananoque Chevels 200. We're off to sell 200 vehicles in the month of June. It's our 21st anniversary, and what a sale we have going on here. Now in week 2, we're clearing out. The selection is still fantastic. We've got new cars rolling in here every day. The 97s have to go, Cavaliers. How about the new Venture van? How about Luminas? How about those Astro vans? Come on down if you're going to save money. This is the month to do it. It's the 21st anniversary, and we're going to sell 200 vehicles. Well, this is it. It's the third week of the Gananoque 21st anniversary sale at Gan Chevels.
Excuse me, Big G, we just sold another one.
Oh, look at that. They're selling them so fast. Listen, if you're looking for a car, truck, or van, you've got to come to Gan Chevels during the month of June. The 21st anniversary is on. You'll never pay less than what you're going to pay this month. So come and see selection, come and see price, come and see value, come and see financing. It's the 21st anniversary sale, and we're giving prizes out every day. So you're the winner. Come on down. Well, here it is, the final week of the Gananoque Chevels 21st anniversary sale, and what a week it's been. It's the Gan 200. Out to sell 200 cars, trucks, and vans, and what selection, what price, what financing terms we have. And listen, for Cavaliers, 500 liters of gasoline absolutely free. If you are in the market for a car, truck, or van, new or used, you've got to come and see us. Gan Chevels, remember, 382-2168. That's the number, or 1-888-B4U-BUY. Give us a call or come on down.